svo radi na leđa. Može to da napravi...
Sad ćemo da uradimo da prebacimo ovo na leđa.
Na leđa da vidimo. It's going to do it on the back. He said we can do the shot of the back and we can do one from the side where you see both. Like the front explode.
Well, you want a front and a side, don't you, really?
Yeah, but I want to see the exit.
Well, surely you want to see his face when he gets shot.
And no, that's fine. I just want to see the bullet hit and then I can always capture his reaction.
Pa okreni se, jebote.
You got to get him to give him a finger or something.
Yeah.
I think. What do you think? I think he's just got to turn. You know. Fuck you. And the horse you rode in on.
Okreni njima leđa, da oni vide leđa.
Yeah. Okay.
Where is it? Is it in his back?
Yeah. In his back.
Can you move a little bit, James?
Yeah, I can try.
Oh, Aspen. Sorry. Okay, guys, vi skal nu. Pigerne, vi skal nu.
That's good.